Welcome. If you're looking to unblock an account on Instagram, you're in the right place. Maybe you blocked someone in the past and now want to reconnect. Or perhaps you just want to manage your blocked list. Whatever the reason, unblocking someone on Instagram is quick and easy. Here's the updated step-by-step guide for 2025. First, open the Instagram app on your device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, head to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find all your account settings and personal info. Next, look for the 3 lines in the top right corner of your profile page. Tap on them to open the menu. From here, select Settings and Activity. This section is where you can control your privacy, security, and account preferences. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Blocked. Tap on it to view a list of all the accounts you've blocked in the past. This is your complete blocked list, so you can easily find the person or account you want to unblock. Now, simply scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the account you want to unblock. Once you've found them, tap on their name and then hit the Unblock button next to their profile. Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice. Just tap Unblock again to finalize it. That's it. The account is now unblocked. You'll be able to see their posts, stories, and profile again, and they can interact with your content as well. Remember, unblocking someone doesn't automatically add them back to your followers list, so if you want to follow them again, you'll need to do that manually. Managing your blocked accounts on Instagram is straightforward, and you can repeat these steps anytime you need. Thanks for watching, and enjoy reconnecting on Instagram.